right. Part 2. Everybody on the weights, including brothers Pierre, brothers Jared, new brother Cedric over there, and our brother Dante. And brother Kevin will be on the way soon. And this is a part of the version of the video with Let's Talk. Proud of you, brothers. Yes, indeed. What it's all about, Pierre. I see you, Big J. Yeah, you're right. That's what it's all about. Yes, sir. Brother Ced. I handle this business. Proud of brother Cedric. Yes, sir. Truly a blessing. Truly a blessing. Can't wait for y'all to hear his story. Yes, sir. He's a barbarous and a very good asset to the family. A very good asset to life. We all pray and thanks to our Heavenly Father Yah for all of this beautiful inspiration. Let's get it, Big J. I see you, baby. Sir. It's all about, baby. Go, baby. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, on the elliptical. Dante's still on the bike. Jared handling his business on the weights. Cedric, bodybuilder. It's all about. Get it, my man. Yes, sir. There you go, baby. Yes, happen, baby. I see you, baby. Yeah, you're right. Woo! Kill that weight, baby. Kill that weight. Yeah, you're right, my man. That's what it's all about. Oh, yes. Yes, it is. All praise to Heavenly Father, man. All blessings, baby. Only the beginning. Only the beginning. Yes, sir. Brother Lionel just came on in. Family getting bigger. Yes, sir.